Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and let's talk about simple, beautiful accessories. This moon necklace is from TEMICO. Now, the first thing I loved about it was the fact that it's stainless steel, which for me means that it's going to last without changing color or tarnishing or irritating my skin. It's adjustable, so you can change the length in a small amount. That little sparkly star is stationary, but the moon glides back and forth. And I just love the look and simplicity of this necklace. It looks good whether you want to wear casual or dressy, and because of its length, it hits me right where I want it to, right around the area or below my clavicle. It just glitters and shines, and I love the fact that it is lightweight. So if you're looking for a necklace that's just going to add something unique and beautiful to your whole outfit, I highly recommend this beautiful moon and one star necklace. I love the fact that the moon glides, but the star is stationary. So if the necklace moves around on me, it's not really going to affect the overall look. It's stainless steel, so it's gonna last and last. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. Again, I love the fact that it's just lightweight and unusual because you can really change the position of where the moon is. And it's just beautiful. I think it goes with so many different things. And it's just the perfect length right there on the neckline. So I'm really in love with this necklace, and that is my point of view.